Kumpirmado, Catherine Bernardo at Daniel Padilla hiwalay na. Ang revelasyon ni Catherine Bernardo ay ating babasahin dito lamang yan sa Talks TV. Chapter closed. Ito nga ang mga kataga na unang nasambit ni Catherine Bernardo sa kanyang post kaugnay ng pagsisiwalat niya ng kanilang hiwalayan ni Daniel Padilla. Kasunod ng mga katagang ito ang pagsasabi niya ng I hope this finally helps all of us to move forward. I won't be entertaining questions regarding this anymore. Thank you for your understanding. Sa mga sunod na talata ay dito na nga ikinuwento ni Catherine ang kanilang paghihiwalaya ni Daniel Padilla. Aniya, I've been in showbiz for almost 21 years now. 12 years as the one half of Katniel and 11 years as someone who have loved DJ even behind the camera. I've always tried to be my own person. I was encouraged to think for myself and decide for myself. Even when it comes to love, especially when it comes to love. I promise to never lose myself in this industry, so I've always been as authentic to you as I can be. I know what many of you are thinking right now. I'm well aware of the rumors and speculation going around. And as hard as it is to put everything into words, I want to hear it straight from me. It's true that DJ and I decided to part ways. Like any other relationship, we tried our best to make it work. We've been drifting apart for a while now and we ultimately had to accept that we can go back to where we used to be. It's just won't be fair to pretend that everything is still the same. These past few months have been tough, but thank you for giving us the time we need to process the pain and finally face the elephant in the room. Sa kahuli-hulihang talata na binigkas ni Catherine Bernardo ay itong kanyang nasabi. DJ, you gave me 11 beautiful years and the kind of love that I will forever cherish. I will always be grateful for you. Ang buong post nga ay mababasa nga sa post ni Catherine Bernardo. Anong masasabi mo sa kwentong ito? Comment down below for more update.